Hi guys! Kumusta? Ako si Red Quaresma at welcome back sa aking channel. At kung bago pa lang kayo sa aking channel, huwag yung kalimutan na mag-subscribe at sipahin na rin yung tiny bell button dun sa baba para updated kayo kung meron ako mga bagong video na i-upload dito sa aking channel. At para sa video ito, another reaction video na naman ang gagawin ko. So magre-react nga ako guys dito sa tourism video ni Miss Universe Philippine Oriental Mindoro na si Rachel Hoco. And sobrang excited na ako guys na mapanood to kaya tara, i-play na natin. Okay, bilang tayo guys ng 3, 2, 1, go. So, here we go.
Coming home after years abroad feels like a warm
Ang
embrace.
ganda ni
The
Miss Rachel
sights,
Hoco,
the
no?
people, the culture. It's like I never left.
Oh, gandang-ganda talaga ako kay Rachel Hoco. Lagi kong pinapanood yung mga vlogs nito. Oriental
Here in
Mindoro.
Oriental Mindoro, we embrace our roots. Riding a Carabao car takes me back to my childhood. Simple, joyful, and full of wonder. Meeting the indigenous Mangyan community reminds me that true beauty lies in connection and culture.
Grabe, ang
Our
ganda.
province is not just about beautiful
Makaganda
beaches.
sa Oriental
It's about
Mindoro.
the people and their stories.
Hello everybody! At tara, kain tayo!
Tara, kain tayo.
And what is a homecoming without food? Every bite
Wow,
is a story
sarap.
of tradition and love.
Grabe yung tourism video niya, no? Sobrang nahuhook ako sa kanya, guys. Tourism video. Grabe yung mata ko nabubusog sa mga napapanood. Grabe yung views yan. Breathtaking. Napakaganda naman sa Oriental. Gusto kong pumunta dyan.
Sharing my experiences with the youth is my way to reminding them your dreams are valid, no
Yeah.
matter how big or small.
Yeah, totoo yun. Grabe yung
Goodbye, I
impact
found
nun.
new
Grabe yung
opportunities
connection.
and incredible experiences. But coming back reminded me of my first dream, to become Miss Universe and to represent the place that shaped me. Sometimes, you need to travel far to appreciate where your heart
Grabe.
truly belongs.
Grabe po.
Tara, balik tayo sa simula at gumawa ng bagong kwento.
Grabe yung tourism video ni Miss Oriental Mindoro, no? Ni Miss Rachel Hoco. Sobrang colorful, sobrang ganda ng kanyang tourism video na talagang ipagmamalaki, no? Napakaganda. And sobrang na-appreciate ko yung ganda talaga ng bawat probinsya dito sa ating bansa. Na talagang ipagmamalaking sariling atin. Alright? Kung sa inyo to guys, bigyan nyo to ng malaking likes. Mag-comment kayo kung meron kayong mga request na video na pwede kong gawin dito sa aking channel. You know? Bye po!